Alright, so got a couple things here. First I'm going to show you this kit I got by BigTeddy. It's got a bunch of little Allen heads and screwdriver heads, little Torx here, like this, and screw the head and put the bit you're going to use in here. I'm going to use this one for the drone. It's the smallest Allen head. Slide it in, put the cone down over. Guess I didn't get down there right. Let's see. There we go. Now my drone had a crash and I broke off this leg here. So I'll try to do a little bit of rewiring. Broke the light and the antenna. I'll show you in a second. I ordered this new soldering kit. It's a Lenovo anti-static adjustable constant temperature soldering iron. Screwdriver works pretty good. I think the wires are fastened to this plastic piece. This is magnetic, this BigTeddy kit. It also comes with little tweezers. And to get whatever bit you need out, take it, peel it up, and there's these little hinges down here, it slides right out. That's pretty much it for this kit. Give you a little close view there. Comes with everything you need really to do those small jobs. So that's it for this video. Next video I'm going to go over this soldering iron kit by Lenovo. This is what we're going to be trying to repair.